If you've just inherited boxes and bags of photos, or you're helping a parent downsize their house to move to someplace smaller, there is a lot of overwhelm and you're not alone. And it's not just helping them sort through stuff, it's actually emotional. And there is a lot of baggage tied up in it as to what to save and what to throw out and what is necessary to tell the beautiful, beautiful moments of your story. But if you're lucky enough to do it with a parent or someone else, the stories will just blossom and it will be such an amazing thing. Hi, I'm Rhoda Gordon, and I'm a certified photo manager, and I designed and created Dig Your Photos for just the situation I described. Dig Your Photos is a system that will easily help you organize print photos on your own or with another family member or with a friend so that you can share the stories and repair all the bonds that may have been broken emotionally over the years, but also pass down your story to the generations to follow. Digi Photos comes with 4 easy steps that have recipe cards and videos associated with them. Also comes with tools, a family timeline template, and support from me. So check out digyourphotos.com.